Best dropshipping suppliers. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to show you what are some best dropshipping suppliers that you should check out in 2022. What are their different features and how these different platforms work. So let's get started. Up first on the list we have sourcingbox.com. Sourcingbox.com is one of the very famous dropshipping suppliers out there. When it comes to reviews and customer service, they are out there and they have different criterias. When it comes to the process, they have very fast processing and shipping, and they're very famous for their low price as well. So you can actually get a quality products from Source and Box, and you can drop ship your products with Source and Box within your budget. It's really beginners friendly when it comes to the use as well. So if we talk about the shipping partners, they have all of these famous shipping partners. When we talk about Unexpress, they have DHL, USPS, so 4PX. So these are all different shipping partners they have, and they have suppliers from China and from other suppliers as well. For example, you can connect your WooCommerce, your Shopify, and your Shop Plaza to your Source Box, and you will be able to do drop shipping better. The sign up process for Source Box is really easy. You simply click on sign up for free, and then you will be able to sign up for Source Box. So all you have to do is simply add your email address, your username, password, repeat password, and then manage your code, and you will be simply able to get started with your Source Box. So if you're looking for a dropshipping supplier which is very consistent, and when it comes to the fulfillment of your requirements, when it comes to delivery, Source Box has proven itself to be very consistent out there. It is not bad for your dropshipping. And when it comes to dropshipping suppliers, no dropshipping suppliers like perfect. When we say that it's perfect, but when we talk about Source Box, I would definitely say that it is one of the very consistent and very productive, and it really shows result when it comes to your drop shipping, and you will be able to deliver your products faster. The quality is there. So if you are looking for best suppliers in 2022, then you should definitely check out sourcingbox.com. The next one is Aprolo.com. Aprolo.com is very similar to Burlo, and when it comes to dropshipping, it has all the different features that we look for. We are getting the order fulfillment, product sourcing, brand building, print on demand, inventory management, and customer service. There is automated dropshipping business model available for you. You can actually get products from with wholesale pricing, and then you can automate your dropshipping business better. You can go ahead and connect your Shopify, you can connect your WooCommerce, you can connect your eBay and your AliExpress with your Aprolo, and it will really help you to manage your business better. It has all these different integrations. When it comes to Aprolo, it is very famous for its integration. It has all the different suppliers available: AliExpress, eBay, Shop Plaza, and it has China-based products sellers as well, and you will be able to get the products very in reasonable pricing, and the pricing of Aprolo is also very reasonable when it comes to sending your products and delivering your products. It's very fast and very reasonable in pricing. And when we talk about different features of Aprolo, so let me say that Aprolo actually has very basic features, and it becomes really easy for you to use Aprolo, and it's not complicated, and it's not that much of a hassle to kind of work with Aprolo. So you can go ahead and register and log in with your Aprolo right now. Simply you sign up and register with your email address and set up a password, and after that you can go ahead and check out Aprolo to run a successful dropshipping business. The next on the list is CJ Dropshipping. And what you have to do is simply come to cjdropshipping.com. Now, you might have heard about CJ Dropshipping because CJ is out there now. Everybody knows about CJ Dropshipping, and it has become one of the very famous dropshipping supplier out there. It has upgraded itself. When we talk about CJ Dropshipping, in the start, it was not that updated back in the few years, but now now it has really upgraded itself. And when we talk about the variety of products, it is amazing on CJ Dropshipping, because we get all of these different categories. For example, computer and office, watches, health and beauty, women clothing, sports, outdoor, home improvement. We have toys, kids, baby, automobiles, men's clothing, customer, electrics, phone accessories, whatever, anything under the sun can be found on CJ Dropshipping. It has China-based suppliers, and you will be able to find wholesale products on wholesale pricing, and you will be able to find very cheap products, and the quality is actually really good on CJ Dropshipping. And when it comes to delivery time, CJ Dropshipping has proven itself to be very fast, and you can get your products within days, and it becomes really easy for you. And the pricing is really, really good on CJ Dropshipping. Like, as we compare it to other dropshipping suppliers, you will be able to find very good products in very cheap pricing, and you can actually find any product on CJ Dropshipping. So that really helps us when we are running a dropshipping business. So if we are finding products, like every product our customer wants, and we have that product, then it becomes really easy for us, and that really helps us to grow our business better and to run a successful dropshipping business. So if you're looking for a dropshipping supplier, then you should definitely check out cjdropshipping.com. The next on the list is Spocket, or some people call it Spocket. Spocket or Spocket is actually a US and EU based dropshipping supplier. And why I am mentioning Spocket, because it is one of the very leading dropshipping suppliers when it comes to US and EU based suppliers. Most of the suppliers that we actually checked out before were actually China based suppliers and dropshipping platforms. But when it comes to Spocket, we can actually get China based suppliers as well, but we are also getting the US and EU based suppliers. When it comes to Spocket, we have different integrations. You can actually go ahead and connect your Spocket to your Shopify, to your Wix, AliExpress, Squarespace, Acquit, BigCommerce, and Alibaba, Square, and WooCommerce as well. So we have all of these amazing integrations that we can connect to our Spocket. When we want to check out the dropshipping, you can go ahead and you can check out that when it comes to the variety, Spocket has the variety of products that we are actually getting. You can go for women clothing, you can go for a trending product as well, toys, footwear, automobiles, whatever you want to go for. One of the best things about Spocket is that it is very up to date, and it's very easy to use, because the features and tools we get on Spocket are very professional and very upgraded. But when it comes to the affordability, it is very affordable platform. You can check out the pricing from here. If you want to get started with Spocket, what you have to do is simply click on get started, and after that you just have to add your email address to get started with your Spocket, and there is no credit card required. So if you're looking for a dropshipping supplier, then you should definitely check out spocket.co. The last but not least on the list is going to be Oberlo, oberlo.com. Oberlo is actually really, really famous for dropshipping, and it is also one of the very famous dropshipping suppliers out there. You can connect it to your Shopify or any other store, WooCommerce, or your Wix as well. Oberlo has different options, and Oberlo is kind of like all in one platform because it has different options. It also has courses, and it also has different topics you can go for. You can actually run a blog on Oberlo. It has podcast videos to kind of like help you with your dropshipping business. If you want to check out dropshipping, I will simply click right here on dropshipping, and then we will actually get more idea about the dropshipping on Oberlo. So what happens is we have different options when it comes to dropshipping. We can find, sell, and dropship our products. There are different suppliers available. How to get started? You simply join Oberlo for free. You find and customize products. You add them to your online store, and then start marketing to buyers. So that is how Oberlo works. There are different features when it comes to Oberlo. They have powerful data, product data. They have millions of products to choose from, customizable listing available in many languages, and 24/7 customer support. So these are the different features you are going to get on Oberlo. To get started, you can become a member, or if you already have an account, you can simply log in with your email address and with the password that you have set up. So yeah, if you're looking for a very consistent and very beginners friendly and professional dropshipping suppliers, then you can definitely check out abolo.com. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know what are some best dropshipping suppliers out there that you can definitely check out to run a successful dropshipping business. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.